Is Patel Tithi and my name is Kavya Patel. I am from 10th G. Today we made a motor in very easiest way. We need two magnets, two bicycle tubes, two safety pins, 1.5 meter wire, 1.5 volt battery, and we made this. She will tell you the process.
So first we have to take this battery and take the one tube and put the tube on positive terminal and negative terminal, and then put another tube on it. Now take one magnet and put one safety pin on positive terminal and second safety pin on negative terminal. For this we have to take 1.5 meter copper wire and make this round shape like this and put in this safety pin hole.